Rice water has been used for centuries in various cultures for its numerous benefits for the skin, hair, and overall health. This simple yet powerful ingredient is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve the appearance and health of your skin and hair. One of the most well-known benefits of rice water is its ability to improve the condition of your hair. When used as a hair rinse, rice water can help strengthen and nourish your hair, making it look shinier and healthier. The vitamins and minerals in rice water, such as vitamin E and antioxidants, can help promote hair growth and prevent breakage. In addition to its benefits for hair, rice water can also be used to improve the condition of your skin. When applied topically, rice water can help soothe and hydrate the skin, making it look more radiant and youthful. The antioxidants in rice water can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Rice water can also help improve the overall health of your skin by balancing its pH levels and reducing inflammation. This can help prevent acne and other skin conditions, as well as promote a more even skin tone. The vitamins and minerals in rice water can also help promote collagen production, which can help improve the elasticity and firmness of your skin. Another benefit of rice water is its ability to soothe and heal irritated skin. Whether you have sunburn, eczema, or other skin conditions, applying rice water topically can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. The soothing properties of rice water can help calm redness and irritation, making it a great natural remedy for a variety of skin issues. Rice water can also be used as a natural toner for the skin, helping to tighten pores and improve the overall texture of your skin. The astringent properties of rice water can help remove excess oil and dirt from the skin, making it look clearer and more refined. Using rice water as a toner can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. In addition to its benefits for the skin and hair, rice water can also be consumed as a health tonic. Drinking rice water can help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and promote overall health and well-being. The vitamins and minerals in rice water can help support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to remove toxins and waste from the body. Rice water is also a great source of energy, providing a quick and easy way to boost your energy levels throughout the day. Whether you drink it plain or add it to smoothies or other beverages, rice water can help give you the energy you need to stay focused and alert. Overall, rice water is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can provide numerous benefits for your skin, hair, and overall health. Whether you use it topically or consume it internally, rice water can help improve the appearance and health of your body in a natural and effective way. So next time you cook rice, don't throw away the water. Save it and reap the benefits of this amazing ingredient.